Hi everyone! First of all, I wanted to say thank you for watching my channel, to leaving your comments and asking me questions. I'm very happy to see it. So before we start doing balloons, I want to show you what's the easy way to make a basket. So I have a basket, like simple one, and I have wooden stick. We bought it in Walmart. Walmart or Michael's? What did you buy it?
This Walmart.
Walmart, yeah. I think it was the biggest size. And so the easy way and fastest to attach it to the basket is to use this, maybe how do you call it?
It's a good question. We'll put it in the comments.
So I found a hole. Better start from the inside. So just find a small hole between. You can see from the side, but yeah. And then go back, and I do second one right here. Yeah, I'll try to put one.
So 2 spots of attachment.
Yeah,
One on the bottom and one on the...
that's it. And now it holds very good. It's straight. That's it, and you actually don't see it from here at all. You can cut the rest. So you just do 4 of them, and it's gonna hold your balloons very good. See, it's very fast and it's strong. It stays strong.
Turn it on the side, it will be right here.
Yeah, and inside you can put a blanket, teddy bear, wherever you want, even a baby, and it's hold very good. Easy. And after you just cut it and take it out. Okay, now let's go back to balloons. I prepared some balloons. I have it here in the transportation bags. I have number 1 is ready, and other stuff as well. I'm gonna start loading everything in my car and see you later. So right now, I have balloons here. You're just gonna glue them here.
All around.
All around. So I have mostly gray and blue, light blue, and dark blue you just put like an accent every.
Oh, so let's start with this one.
Yeah. So do gray and blue. I have the most gray. So just put it in here and don't discard, just and press for a few seconds.
Nice.
Press for a few seconds. I'm gonna give you more glue. But better go first. No, better. Just show me what I need. I can layer balloons right away, right here. Wherever you feel like. This way of making a garland. You make a garland very big and nice, massive. Now I'm partly attaching the block of balloons.
The thrift, my radish, I like my wine cheap, cause we all know it does the trick. Truth is, I'm broke, no lie. Truth is, I'm lost but fine. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time, I'm working on it. Cause I want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence. I want swag like hey, slaying in every way. I'm working all day, all night, don't need no help. I'ma be just fine. I'm all about that grind, cause I wanna be that chick. 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 Truth is, I'm broke, no lie. Truth is, I'm lost but fine. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm gonna be that chick.